Features tell, but benefits sell. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to flip features into benefits. And one of the best examples of all time of a company flipping a feature into a benefit is when Apple released the iPod. They didn't say we have 1 GB of storage for MP3s. That was the feature. They presented it as a benefit for the customer, 1,000 songs in your pocket. And that is just a brilliant example of flipping a feature into a benefit, because the feature, I as the average user don't know what a gigabyte of storage is, but I can see 1,000 songs in my pocket. I get it, I understand it. There's a clear benefit for me. And not only is that just really clear, it's really clear how much of a benefit that is compared to other options out there. I remember having a mini disc player. This is going back quite a while now, and I think I could only have 20 or 30 songs on a mini disc. Maybe it was more, maybe it was like 50, but 1,000 songs in your pocket was just so much better than anything out there. A CD was probably 20 songs. So 1,000 songs in your pocket not only is clear, but it clearly presented the benefit versus alternatives out there. And that is one of the reasons why the iPod was so successful, that they were clearly able to sell the benefits of the product and not just the features, what a lot of competitive products versus the iPod were focusing on. So think of the feature as here's what our product can do, and the benefit is really here's what you can do with our product. And if you want to create a lot of desire for your product, you need to sell the results, not just the product itself. So what is actually the result that people can get from having an iPod? It's 1,000 songs in their pocket. So let's go through a couple of examples. If we look at shampoo, you could say that one of the features is it contains a special formula, Pantol, but really, so what? If you want to really flip a feature into a benefit, you can apply the so what test. So what if it contains that special ingredient? What is really the benefit for the customer? And really, it gets you beautiful hair that gets you noticed. That's really the benefit, people. That's the result that they want. And if you focus on that, as you can probably look at it yourself, like what do you find more appealing? You want to get the beautiful hair that gets noticed. You don't really care about the special ingredient. Let's look at another example. Here is a bag, and one of the features is it has a rain cover. So apply the so what test once again to flip that feature into a benefit. Why do I care if it has a rain cover? The benefit for me is it keeps your gear dry even in torrential rain. That's what I can do with the product. That's not just the feature, what the product actually does. So let's look at another example. The feature of a fitness program might be that it includes a meal plan and a shaker. So if we apply that so what test, what benefit is there if there's a meal plan and a shaker included in the fitness program? Well, the benefit is really that I'll know exactly what to eat. And as you can see in all these examples, the benefit is really going to sell the product because it's far more compelling. It's what I can do with the product and really the result I'm going to get out of it. So the action for you is to write a list of your features and really apply the so what test so you can flip those features into benefits.